Right then, welcome along. We're at AD Smith's KTM Enduro Experience today, and the venue he's got here in Wales is a bit special, really good. So I'm currently riding the 350 EXC-F, I think it is. Yeah, 350. Been on the 250 this morning, get my eye in. That's cool. Alright then, here we go. So the school isn't just a free-for-all day where you get to come and play on the KTMs, although that is a big part of it. It's actually a really good way of improving your riding ability and your skills. So you might think that you're a pretty good rider already, but I thought that after 15 years riding on and off-road. And even as an experienced road and off-road rider, I can tell you I've learnt quite a lot on this day. So it's really good. Thoroughly recommended. So AD School teaches you about body position, how to get on the throttle, even the type of tyres that you've got on these bikes, where to ride, you know, like the line to take, all your equipment, specifics about the bikes. Everything is really, really good. So if you're thinking about doing an off-road experience day, whether you're experienced off-road or not, I'd definitely recommend the AD Smith KTM school. Fantastic day.
Up here, beautiful, and not get the police trying to chase you. That's trouble. There is a story about some sacred tree, but I don't know. Jack knows what it is. Does anybody else know what it is?
Lonely tree.
The lonely tree.
It's because it's on its butt.
It's like a, what's the name? It's protected for whatever reason. It's a sacred tree.